Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to attach the drive belt onto your Pro-Ject T1 EVO. To attach a drive belt, you would need to, well, I already have it attached as you can see because I have a record on, but I will first unplug it from the power. I'm a fan of unplugging things from the power if I'm going to disassemble them even a little bit. I will also unplug the RCA cables because they are currently connected to my speaker, and I just don't like having anything plugged in when I'm going to touch it underneath. So let's now take a record off because I currently have it on, and I will also take the platter with the felt mat off. Now probably the sub-platter will also come off automatically by itself. So hold on a second. Okay, it almost did. Now you can see this is what you get in the box. Basically, you get the drive belt, and what I recommend doing is that you first put it on the sub-platter, which is this bigger of those two circles that come here. It's easier, I think, that way, but everyone has their own preference. You can see there is the text on the outside of it, and then I can just stretch it a little bit, put it on the smaller circle, rotate it a few times so it just stays on the center of the bigger circle, as you can see right now, and then put the platter, the glass platter, with the matte side being on the top, and then the felt mat on top of it. Now we can plug it back in and get it to work. So I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.